Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Optimizer. I'm Rajat and today we are going to learn about strategy pattern. So what is a strategy pattern? So consider the case like so I think in previous few patterns we have seen like how to use factory pattern to basically in e-commerce to basically in the gate payment gateway. So basically get what kind through what we want to make a payment. It is by credit card, debit card, or basically pay by cash. Those information we have seen. Similarly, like how to basically since in credit card it is swipe functionality. Now in debit card it is sorry in Paytm basically UPI it is basically scan functionality. Basically you want to scan the QR code and this thing. So seen that how to do that. Now coming to basically now consider the case. So whenever you are on that e-commerce website, now you want to check out that item. So you have open okay by different patterns you have open like whether to use credit card, like providing some card. Also you have provided the card information. Okay. Now and Paytm. So you have provided some kind of phone number. Okay. Some phone number you have provided here. Now at the end, basically now the function we are calling that is just checkout function. What to do basically in case of credit card? There are different things. First of all, what we will do, okay, first of all we will validate that basically. So okay, my bad, validation would be already be done whenever you are adding the card information. So whenever you add that information, then they open basically a page where you put the OTP. Okay, now we have to perform this action basically to basically we have to perform this OTP option, this logic on the basis of what we have selected. Similarly, if I had selected Paytm, so I would have been what I would have been doing, generating QR code, and the user would be scanning this code and performing this. Now how to basically do this thing, like on the basis of whatever the user is choosing. Now we will call them strategy, whatever the strategy user is choosing. On the basis of what the logic to perform, that would be decided at the runtime. So this is the main idea behind strategy pattern. So now what we would be doing, client won't be aware of these strategies. They would just be aware like there is a class in which, or there is a backend in which what we are doing, or here in the strategy we call it context. In that what we are doing, just check out a product. The just this information visible to the client on the now the car basically payment method we are selected. On the basis of that, now the which strategy to take, and on the basis of whatever strategy we have chosen, what logic to run, that would be hidden from the client, and that would be a part of strategy. So here on the basis of payment mode, basically they would different strategy. Here that is a credit card is a strategy, Paytm is a strategy. There would be strategy for Paytm, and further like how what the action would be performed, that would be decided in this strategy what we have set here in the context. Okay. So let's see the same through an example. So if I just open a context, so sorry before that, huh. See here I have created a strategy interface. Now there will be different implementation of it would be there. One is credit card payment. So what we are doing, just create taking the card number and card holder, and there would be some logic. For now uh, we just have printed like it is being done through this credit card payment we are doing. Now for PayPal we are doing through PayPal. Similarly for Bitcoin, this is one more strategy we have created. So in the shopping cart, what we are doing different, we are setting the strategy, like what the strategy we would be setting. So client, what it would be doing, okay, user have selected the payment mode as card. Now the card is the strategy. So all the logic which will be running after this, after checkout, that would be run on this card strategy only. So I think you don't know the, you might not know the name of this strategy, but you have reused it at many multiple places so far also. So you might have even implemented it. So now in the client code, what we are doing, just creating a shopping cart, In the card we are setting the strategy. When you choose, like if you have seen in Amazon, when you go on checkout page, then it basically lists the option whether you want to make the payment credit card or some other thing. So this is basically what is happening in the backend. So for now, on the basis of if you select card, now the strategy would be set for that a particular order. Now we have set the strategy as credit card. Now we are doing checkout. So what it will do, it will basically do the payment dot pay. Now this is for credit card, since the strategy we had set here was credit card. Similarly for all these row. So if I just run it now, so there would be different logic running on the basis of what strategy we choose. So the bookish definition is this only. I think defining a family of strategies, encapsulation in each one, and making them interchangeable. So first we select the strategy we want to perform, then there would be a context to with decide basically interact with the client. So it is this only client will interact with a context. Now a client will also set the strategy. Okay, pass the strategy to this context. Now the context will decide on the what to execute basically on the piece of strategy. So that's all from this video. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And thank you all. Please like, share, subscribe.